Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You're logged into your account and running the latest game patch so menus behave predictably. Once done, verify your input device and network are stable. Poor ping will interrupt matchmaking. Now go straight to the main menu and choose the multiplayer or Rivals Hub option to start the process. This first step gets you into the correct environment where game mode options appear, and it prevents stalls later during mode selection. Once in the Rivals Hub, navigate to the mode selector and pick the exact variant, ranked for progression, casual for practice, or custom for private rules, so you control stakes and matchmaking. Next, adjust the rule set. Map pool, match length, and team size. These choices affect match pacing and balance. If you want teammates, invite friends now. Otherwise, enable solo queue and verify your region to avoid high latency. These middle steps finalize match condition. Now queue up. Press search or queue and monitor the ready prompt. Accept quickly to avoid forfeits. Once matched, confirm team composition and start the round. This completes the entry into game mode. If matchmaking fails or you disconnect, first restart matchmaking, then try switching regions or relogging. Should problems persist, verify game files and test port forwarding or firewall rules to ensure UDP/TCP traffic reaches the client. One solid troubleshooting tip: relaunch the game before changing deep network settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.